Thank you, dear friends, for all the support. Today I've come with yet another delicious recipe. Please don't forget to press the like button if you like the video, as your likes and comments are very valuable for the growth of the channel. First, let us toast half cup of cashew nuts. Remove it, and into the same pan we'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of water and melt the sugar, and into that we'll add 1 stick of cinnamon and 4 cloves and heat it and keep it aside. Here I have taken 1 pineapple, 2 Nendran bananas, 2 apples, 2 small bananas and 2 oranges, peeled and chopped them finely, and add juice of half lemon and mix it well. Into this we'll add the melted sugar with cinnamon and cloves. Just remove the cinnamon and cloves while serving. Mix it well. We'll add the toasted and chopped cashew nuts and half cup of dates chopped finely. This gives a nice taste and crunch to the dish. We'll keep this in the refrigerator. Here I've taken 4 eggs. Into that half cup of sugar, beat it well and add milk. Here I've taken 1 liter milk for the recipe. Keeping some milk aside, we'll mix it and pour it into a saucepan. In the same bowl, take 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Add the remaining milk, mix it and keep it aside. Now we'll cook the milk and egg mixture, stirring continuously, or else it might curdle and stick to the bottom. When it reaches boiling stage, into that we'll add the prepared corn flour milk mixture. Just give it a stir so that the corn flour, which is settled down, mixes well into the milk. Add it slowly and continue stirring till the custard thickens. Now the custard is cooked well and it has reached a thick consistency. Running a spoon on the back of the ladle will leave a mark like this. That shows that the custard is ready. Now into this we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence after switching off the flame. Mix it well. Remove it into a dish and keep it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Now our fruits and custard is ready, and our super delicious dessert is ready with the goodness of fruits. Do try the recipe and I'm sure you will like it. Please don't forget to press the like button and leave your valuable suggestions and comments. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.